Hey bosses, it's Nina. So this is going to be a quick video. Facebook has a new Facebook list feature that they've talked about, and it pops up and goes away, but finally I think it's here to stay. So I'm going to show you how to create Facebook list or list within Facebook. So this is just on my regular page. I'm on Facebook, my personal profile, and if you notice, there's a new list feature. So I'm going to say, this is a test for the new list feature, right? And I'll click on list, and notice I can create different types of list. So they give you little, and just let you know, this is my first look. You know, I like to go through the first time with you guys. So they give you, but I knew it was coming. So they give you little options. So moments I could relive, things I would do if I had more free time. Ooh, I need that. This year's highlights, my worst habits. I'm just going to create it with my own title. Okay, and I'm going to say how to, I don't know. No, where you can find me. Now I'm going to test it. I'm going to try to put some links. And let's see what happens. youtube.com/socialnina, right? I'm going to go to pinkboss.club and then learneditonline.com. Now these on the right hand side are not from Facebook. These are my normal, it's like a Grammarly thing, right? Notice you can do 1, 2, 3, or you can actually do bullets, and then you have the backgrounds. So I'm going to try the purple one. I don't like that it's really, really dark. This is a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just post this. And yay! I actually like the way it turned out with the white. Very, very nice. So I was able to include a status and create my list. I'm going to do another one. This is test 2 for Facebook list feature, right? And see, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, there it goes. Sometimes they add something and then it disappears. It's down here, so I'm going to click on list. This time I'm going to say things I would do if I had more free time, and I'll make this, let's do this purple. Deep condition my hair, right? I would also travel. I'll say lay on a beach and sleep. Okay. Notice you can tag friends. You can still add other things. I'm just gonna leave this. I'll add like a little emoji and then post, and let's see how that turns out. Yes, I really, really like these more than I expected. So yay. All right. This is, like I said, it's a quick video. I'm publishing this now. Ciao.